Philippines. Magandang hapon our communities in the country. I have seen this for myself, having gone around our regions in the Philippines, in the provinces, cities, and municipalities, having met our indigenous communities, many of whom have attested to the benefit that technology has given to their communities in opening up their businesses to new markets and bringing their traditions forward to the future. So thank you, Secretary Solidum. Thank you to the DOST and to PTRI for your partnership in Philippine tourism. As we celebrate these landmark collaborations between the DOT and the DOST, we manifest our joint commitment to innovation. For in the democratization of tourism, the introduction of technology is no longer just an option, but rather an absolute necessity. Innovation has driven our programs at the Department of Tourism, for the architect of the vision for tourism has called for the same. Our President envisions tourism not only from the lens of recovery, but rather of transformation. One that would see the Philippines elevate into a tourism powerhouse upon the strength of its culture, its heritage, and its identity. However, how are we to elevate these attributes to the world without technology? And that is why, through the partnership that we have inked with the Department of Science and Technology, we hope to be able to join their call for smart and sustainable cities, municipalities, and provinces. And this has already been rolled out. We have seen the benefit of this in areas in the country that can only serve to be benefited by the introduction of technology. Specific to our agreement on the Turlista program, this addresses absolute necessity of ensuring that we have data-driven policies in the Department of Tourism. This will aid us greatly in monitoring real-time the movement of our tourists, the demand for our destinations, in order that government interventions may be had, whether it is in terms of introducing hard infrastructure, roads, airports, seaports, bridges, and the like, or soft infrastructure, trainings for all kinds of tourism, livelihood, and skills. And so, the signing of this agreement will help the Department of Tourism in crafting a policy framework that is truly responsive to the trends of tourism as well as to the needs of our communities. Halal tourism is also one of the priority programs of the Marcos administration. With the Department of Tourism's drive towards ensuring that the Philippines is a Muslim-friendly and halal-friendly destination, we have released a revised memorandum circular on the accreditation of Muslim-friendly establishments. And with the introduction of this training module developed by the DOST, we see great benefit upon our accommodation enterprises and other tourism enterprises so that we can transform the Philippines into one of the most competitive halal and Muslim-friendly destinations in the country. Once again, thank you, Sec, thank you to the DOST. You can clap louder. The department joins the DOST in its commitment towards sustainable tourism development. For this aligns with our National Tourism Development Plan. And in pursuit of a sustainable tourism framework, the Department of Tourism has introduced various measures of innovation in just 2 years. And we foresee that with our partnership with the DOST, these innovative projects, which include our tourist rest areas, which have been constructed all over the Philippines, that have restrooms and showers, pasalubong centers, Philippine communities, and allows tourists to get to know the heart and soul of our destinations. As well as the Philippine Experience, which gives tourists an opportunity to taste their way to the Philippines, in Intramuros and in Rizal Park, and we thank the DOST for the food safety training that they instituted among our vendors. We foresee future partnerships as well with our ongoing programs such as our Hop-on Hop-off bus tours, which allows tourists to go around Metro Manila in just a few hours. And in a few short months, we will be launching our layover tours for the Hop On Hop Off, as well as the introduction of our hyperbaric chambers for diver safety. Most importantly, as we build upon tourism infrastructure for the Philippines, we are also harnessing the best asset of Philippine tourism, our Philippine tourism workers. Through the assistance of the DOST, our tour guides will soon be trained to provide science and evidence-based information to our tourists. Not only will they view the very beautiful Chocolate Hills, for example, but they will understand and allow our tourists to understand the generations of scientific movements that have allowed for these formations. Building a brighter and more sustainable future can only
Sir, meron na naman po tayo na on-the-spot interview ngayon dito po sa Health and Sight Wellness na kung saan po talagang hindi ito scripted ha. Kung ano lang po talagang karanasan nila sa pagtangkilik ng ating mga produkto dito po sa Health and Sight Wellness. So, ayan. So, yung mag-asawa po ito at kung gaano nakatagal itong kumpanya ay ganun din po katagal yung pagtangkilik nila sa mga produkto natin na safety at alam natin na kailangan natin maging totoo at ma-safe din ang ating kalusugan, lalo na po kapag pamilyang pinag-uusapan. So, mag-asawa po sila, sina Ma'am Daisy and Sir Melchor Espino, taga Quezon City. So, alamin po natin, Ma'am Daisy, happy morning po. Gusto lang po namin malaman yung talagang totoong karanasan nyo lang po dito sa Health and Sight Wellness. Thank you po, Nina. So, Ma'am, alin po dito muna yung madalas ninyong tangkilikin?
Yung Alka Drop.
Alka Drops. Ito po yun, ano? Ano pong meron nito, Ma'am?
Nakakaano siya ng alkaline siya ng pag hinalo siya sa tubig.
Okay.
Nakakatulong siya na alkaline yung water. And then ginagamit ko siya kapag pagka mas ma-acid ako, iniinom ako. One time nga po, nasobrahan yung acid ko, na para bang sabi ko nga dalhin na ako sa hospital kasi sobrang taas. Oo, pinagpapawisin ako. One time nga po nasobrahan yung acid ko, na para bang sabi ko nga dalhin na ako sa hospital kasi sobrang taas. Oo, pinagpapawisin akong matindi talaga noon, time na yun na para bang ang tigas-tigas ng tiyan ko. Kaya nung naghingi ako sa kanya ng water, ng maligamgam, tas pintak ng siguro mga 5 patak lang o 6 na patak.
Gaano kadami yung tubig na maaligamgam?
250 ml.
Oh, okay.
Yung para isang baso, yan. Tas maligamgam siya.
Oo.
Nung ininom ko siya, yun, nag-burp talaga ako ng matindi. Yun na nahimasmasan ako. Sabi ko, salamat talaga sa Alka Drop kasi siguro kung wala yan, baka na usugod na ako. Oo, sa sobrang, siguro acid reflux.
Opo.
Or yung
GERD. Parang kumukulo yan
Yes
diba
po. Yan, malaking tulong talaga sa amin yan. Kapag masakit ang ngipin.
At pati yung ngipin.
Yes po. Pagka may masasakit ang ngipin ng mga anak ko, hindi ko pinaiinom
Ilan po yung anak nyo, Ma'am?
3 po.
3.
Opo. Pag masakit ngipin nila, hindi ko sila pinaiinom ng gamot. Pinapagano ko lang sila na mumog or or lalagyan ng yung ngipin kung may sira. Talagang nakaka-relieve siya ng
Anong lasa?
May pagkano siya
Maalat-alat.
yun, maalat-alat.
Oo nga naman, di ba po naglalagay nga tayo ng asin? So, ito. So, ito siya.
At the same time, ganun din, nakatulong din sa akin yung nagkaroon ako ng UTI, yung pang-wash lang siya.
Iwa-wash lang po. Kasi mga kababayan din na maiwasan, di ba po?
Pang all around talaga siya, at saka talagang mo siya, talagang nakakatulong talaga na na umiwas sa mga synthetic na gamot or yung iinumin para nakakaano din yun, di ba? Kaya malaking tulong talaga sa amin yan.
Alright, so Ma'am Daisy, sa madaling salita, ito po yung nagiging emergency, nyo agad, medicine, parang ganyan. So, parang, di ba po, kailangan, sabi nga ng gobyerno, meron tayong kit for emergency, tama po, di ba po? So, eto, dapat Huwag
Yan,
mawala.
ano talaga yan, nasa go bag talaga
oo.
yan kasi nakakatulong talaga siya.
Alright. So, no, yung mga may go bag, lagyan na nito kasi marami palang pwedeng gawin. Eh, kung mga biglang naglindol, nasa ilalim ka, sumakit ang ngipin mo, di ba po? Kaya umano yung acid mo. Meron ka nito sa go bag, agad-agad, kahit diretso na. Tama ba po? Eh, kung nasa ilalim ka ng, ng lupa, walang tubig, eto na. Tama, di ba po?
Nakatulong
Alright, so
siya.
ma'am, sige pa po, pakikwento pa po, baka na-distract pa kita at may marami kang magagandang karanasan.
One time din, yung isa kong friend din,
Opo.
buntis siya.
Opo.
Sabi niya, nireklamo siya, masakit yung ngipin ko. Sabi niya ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi ka pwedeng iinom basta ng antibiotic kasi
Buntis.
ka.
Opo.
Kaya na-recommend ko sa kanya yan. Kaya siya, nung nasubukan niya, sabi niya, effective yung yung pinano mo sa akin, ni-recommend mo sa akin na user na siya, and time to time, pagka naubos yung kanyang yan, nagre-reorder na lang siya pag nauubos yung
Ayun.
Tapos i-ano din niya sa mga friends niya. Yun. Ay, malaking
Sinishare
tulong.
niya
Yun,
din. Oo nga, kahit sa mga buntis natin. Kasi bawal lang mga gamot pang kasi yung baby. Alright.
Nagkakapi ka na, nagba-vitamins ka pa.
Ay, try nyo lang. Makikita ninyo, kayo mismo ang sabi ng totoo kung gaano ba talaga kasarap ng coffee na to at saka yung rub, napakagandang sa ubo, okay na yun.
Ay, so happy morning po muli para doon sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa po tumatangkilik ng health and sight wellness na mga produkto. Ito po ay 1,500 pesos, may 5 ka na pack na kape at may mga packages pa rin po rito na pwede kayong mamili para po makadiscount kayo ng halos 40 to 50 hanggang 60%. Muli, ang inyong lingkod, Miss Horizon Chaser. Para po sa ating hindi pa nakakakilala ay mag-like at mag-subscribe po kayo. And follow na rin po sa ating programang Happy Morning Show. Sa YouTube meron din po yan. At alam natin na ang Happy Morning ay lagi pong makatotohanan din ng ating mga balita hinggil sa siyensya, teknolohiya, lifestyle, at syempre po, ang basta nakakabuti para po ay bumuti ang ating buhay. Muli, magpapaalam po tayo at huwag kalimutan, itry ang ating mga produkto mula dito sa Health and Sight Wellness. Bye! I love you all!